What if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep? A strategy so powerful that the wealthiest investors in the world use it to grow their fortunes effortlessly? It's not a secret, it's dividends. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use dividends to build passive income, achieve financial freedom, and secure your future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to making money with dividends, from picking the right stocks to maximizing your returns. This is the strategy the rich don't want you to know, and if you apply it correctly, it could change your life forever. So let's dive in. 1. The secret of the rich: why dividends are a wealth-building machine. Dividends are the hidden engine behind long-term wealth. The world's richest investors, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and even everyday millionaires have one thing in common: they invest in assets that generate cash flow. Dividends allow you to earn money passively without selling your stocks. Imagine owning shares of a company like Coca-Cola. Every 3 months, they pay you a portion of their profits, just for being a shareholder. You don't have to do anything. That's the beauty of dividends. They turn you into a business owner collecting steady paychecks without the hassle of running a business. What makes dividends even more powerful is their ability to compound. If you reinvest them, you start earning dividends on your dividends, creating a snowball effect that grows your wealth exponentially over time. This is how the rich build generational wealth. They don't chase quick money, they let time and compounding do the work. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. 2. How dividends actually work, and why most people overlook them. At its core, a dividend is a company's way of rewarding its investors. When a company makes a profit, it can do 3 things: reinvest it, buy back shares, or pay dividends. The best dividend-paying companies consistently share their profits with investors, creating a predictable income stream. Yet, most people overlook dividends because they focus on stock price movements. They try to time the market, buy low, and sell high. But dividends offer a different approach, one that rewards patience. Here's how it works. If you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a 5% annual dividend yield, you earn $500 every year. That's money hitting your account, no matter what the stock price does. And if you reinvest those dividends, your earnings multiply over time. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it's small, but over the years it grows, and soon, it starts bearing fruit regularly. The key is to start early and stay consistent. 3. The power of compound interest: how to turn dividends into passive income for life. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. And for good reason. When you reinvest your dividends, they generate even more dividends, leading to exponential growth. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 4% yield and reinvest the dividends. In 10 years, your investment could be worth over $15,000. In 20 years, it could exceed $25,000, all without adding a single extra dollar. That's the magic of compounding. Think of compounding like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, it's small. But as it keeps rolling, it gets bigger and bigger, growing faster and faster. This is why early investors reap massive rewards later in life. If you start now, your future self will thank you. 4. How to pick the best dividend stocks, even if you're not an expert. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some are reliable money machines, while others are ticking time bombs. So how do you find the best ones? Look for companies with a strong dividend history, those that have paid and increased their dividends for decades. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and McDonald's have been paying dividends for over 50 years. Next, check the dividend payout ratio. This tells you how much of the company's profits go to dividends. A ratio below 60% is ideal, ensuring the company has room to grow. Finally, focus on dividend growth. A company that raises its dividend every year beats inflation and increases your income over time. That's how you ensure a rising stream of passive income. 5. Dividend traps: how to avoid stocks that look good but will ruin you. A high dividend yield might seem attractive, but it can be a red flag. Companies paying 10% or more often struggle financially, and their dividends may not be sustainable. One example is oil companies during downturns. When oil prices crash, their profits disappear, and they slash dividends. Investors chasing high yields often suffer massive losses. Instead, look for stability. A good rule of thumb: if something looks too good to be true, it probably is. 6. The dividend growth strategy: how to get bigger payouts every year. Dividend growth is the key to long-term wealth. A stock yielding 3% today might pay 6% or 10% in a few years if the company consistently raises its dividend. For example, in 1995, Pepsi paid a small dividend. If you held on to those shares, your dividend payments would have increased over 1,000% by now. That's the power of holding on to great companies. 7. How to make $1,000 plus per month in passive income with dividends. Earning $1,000 per month in dividends is achievable. Here's a simple strategy. 1. Pick strong dividend-paying stocks. 2. Reinvest dividends. 3. Keep adding to your portfolio. 4. Be patient. With $300,000 invested at a 4% yield, you'll make $1,000 monthly without lifting a finger. Every day you wait is a day your investments could be working for you. Time is the greatest asset, and the sooner you start, the bigger your returns. Imagine waking up one day, knowing your investments are paying your bills. That's the power of dividends. As Warren Buffett said, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you found this valuable, check out the first pinned comment where I've left exclusive recommendations for you. And since you stayed till the end, YouTube picked the perfect next video for you. It's on screen now. See you there.